Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Achieving truly great fettuccine begins with the right setup. First, select a large pot, ensuring ample space for the noodles to move freely. Fill it with at least 4 to 6 quarts of water for a standard package, as this prevents sticking and allows even cooking. A generous dash of salt, added now, enhances the pasta's flavor from the inside out. This simple foundation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Once your pot is filled, it's time to bring that water to a rapid, rolling boil. This vigorous bubbling is essential before you even think about adding your fettuccine. Remember to add a good amount of salt to the water now. This seasons the pasta from within as it cooks, building a deeper flavor. Resist the urge to add oil, as it can prevent your delicious sauce from adhering later. Now, with your water at a vigorous boil, it's time to add the fettuccine. Gently place the long strands into the pot, allowing them to soften and submerge naturally as they cook. Don't force them down. After about 30 seconds, give the pasta a gentle stir to ensure the strands separate and prevent them from sticking together. This initial movement is key for beautifully cooked individual noodles. The goal for perfect fettuccine is al dente, meaning it's firm to the bite but still tender, not mushy. To achieve this, begin tasting a strand a minute or two before the package's suggested cooking time ends. Continuously test until you find that ideal texture. Remember, pasta continues to cook slightly after draining, so err on the side of slightly less cooked rather than overdone. Before draining your perfectly cooked fettuccine, remember a chef's secret. Reserve about half a cup of that starchy cooking water. This magic liquid helps emulsify and smooth your sauce later. Quickly drain the pasta using a colander, but whatever you do, do not rinse it. Rinsing removes the starch needed for sauce adhesion. Immediately toss the hot fettuccine with your chosen sauce for the ultimate flavor marriage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.